Hey folks, I got the Omega juicer running. This is actually my favorite juicer. I had a centrifugal juicer out. And I was juicing with that for a while, but it does produce really wet. Why am I having a brain fart? Whatever this stuff is, the pulp, yeah. It produces really wet pulp, and the pulp with the Omega juicer is a little bit drier, which that means that it's getting more juice out, and is really good. This is a really good juicer for greens. And this is just a typical juice that we're going to do during our cleanse. This is some spinach. I've got beets, pineapple, lemon, orange, and celery. So that's the juice. Sometimes what I do is I mix the green juice with some frozen veggies, or not veggies, oh my god, no. Some frozen sweet fruit and make a overall smoothie with the green juice kind of liquid. So, we'll pause it here. I forgot, I'm also putting ginger. Ginger is wonderful for juices. Great for the digestive system too. So yeah, spinach, beets, celery, ginger, and some fruit. Pineapple, orange, and lemon. Check out these colors. I'm not even done juicing. I still have some celery and a little bit of pineapple left. But holy cow, the dark, rich, red, green. I mean, these are healing colors. It's just beautiful how fruit and vegetables, they're nutrient-rich, high-energy electrons. If you're taking my electrical chemistry course and my cell biology course, which follows it in sequence, we talk about the electron transport chain and what is responsible for not only providing the electrons, those high-energy electrons, those come from our monosaccharides like fructose, glucose, galactose. Those are the primary ones. When chemical bonds are broken, the electrons that are being shared in the covalent bonds in these monosaccharides, those electrons are released and they travel to the electron transport chain. And they're carried there by various B vitamins like niacin, riboflavin. Those two vitamins, those two B vitamins, give rise to NAD and FAD, which are the redox electron carriers that are carrying those electrons to the electron transport chain. And then these high energy electrons, they are what fuel ATP synthesis. I mean, this is where we get our energy to do everything from. And you might as well put the best fuel in your body. Just like, you put the best fuel in your car. Most people take better care of their cars than they do for their bodies. But anyway, I'm going to pour this in here because I'm going to mix this with some frozen fruits. So I'll be back in just a second. Look at that. Beets, which I think make up the majority of this juice. That and the pineapple, I think those are the two big ingredients. Although I did use a whole container of spinach. But these phytonutrients in these juices, amazing. And so this cleanse, we'll be eating some whole fruit. Whole fruit, there's nothing wrong with it. Get yourself a mango and just eat it straight up. That could be a meal. You can do a meal of grapes. But then, like midday, maybe for dinner, let's get some green juices in there. Or some beet juices in there. And this is the pulp, okay? So the pulp it's a little sticky, but it's not that mushy, which is good. You want it somewhat dry. That means you have a pretty good juicer. And again, this is an Omega juicer. And I've had this baby, gosh, I want to say till like since 2009, maybe 2010. So it's over 10 years old for sure. It's lasted. It's a good juicer. All right, so I'm gonna get out my frozen fruit. All right, so I'm just doing some mango chunks. I typically buy this like in bulk. This is what, 3 pounds of frozen mango. There's a Walmart just around the corner, and they have where you can pick it up and they put it back in your trunk. So I get a lot of frozen fruit from them. You know, it'd be nice to get organic, but of course Walmart doesn't have organic mango. And second, mango, you know, it's covered with skin, so it's not in the dirty dozen. But it's always good to get organic when you can. But anyway, I'm going to mix some of this with my juice. So there you go, mango and juice. So it's kind of like a juice, kind of like a smoothie, right? You're getting your fruits in and the juice at the same time. And I'm just putting the lid of my Vitamix blender on. And we're going to take this beauty over to the Vitamix. Vitamix, this is another amazing kitchen tool. I've had this baby for a long time. I mean, this blender is old. And right before it was like going to expire for its warranty, they refurbished it because it was still under, like, it had like, of the 8-year warranty, it had like 6 months to go, and they gave me a brand new one, and that was like 8 years ago. So this has lasted forever. It's amazing. Just watch this baby blend. All right, this is my indoor compost bin, and right now it's kind of full. I gotta push some of this stuff down. All my little scraps from my fruits and veggies, and we're just gonna add the pulp. And then I have a big compost bin in the backyard that all gets incorporated into my soil for healthy soil to grow healthy greens and healthy fruits and healthy veggies and all of that. So, you know, nature really does have all of the answers. It's such a self-sufficient, you know, recycling type of love that you don't have to do much. And yeah, I'm gonna clean all of my juicing tools. So there you have it. There's my smoothie juice. There's what's left over. And this is basically going to be my dinner. So, you know, when we do this cleanse, I'll put some recipes of, you know, what I throw together, but it's not that complicated, you know. But, you know, I'm trying to incorporate more beets. Beets are great for the kidneys. They're great for the liver. I'm growing some beets in my garden in the back, so these were actually from an order I made, but soon I'll have, you know, freshly harvested beets to add to my smoothies and my juices. So let's put my little glass straw in there. Let me suck some of this up first. It does taste really good. I mean, there is pineapple and mango in there to make it palatable and sweet. And fruit is great, right? So you're getting the minerals from the greens and the veggies. You're getting the phytonutrients. I mean, you can see them in the color. The vitamins. It's all in here. I mean, they say, you know, fruits and vegetables are our healthiest foods. Why not just eat them all by themselves in their raw, natural state, not processed, not packaged, not modified, not cooked. I have nothing against, you know, steamed veggies or baked veggies, but, you know, why go through the processing? Why dehydrate it? Just eat it with the natural, beautiful, distilled water pulled unfiltered by the root systems of the plant. You're getting all of that. So this cleanse is coming up. I'm going to be putting together a little program, and I'll be announcing the cleanse. This will be one of the recipes, and it will be a group event. And together we'll all get through this cleanse and support each other and feel the vibrant health of raw fruits and vegetables. Thank you.